Hello, thank you for visiting Pre-Owned Motor Cars website. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2020 Lincoln Nautilus Reserve. So check it out. So this is a 2020 Nautilus Reserve. They come standard with 20-inch wheels. This has been upgraded to 21-inch wheels. Chrome accents. This is an all-wheel drive, 2.0 turbo. The motor puts out 250 horsepower and 280 foot-pounds of torque, 0 to 60 in 6.8 seconds. You have sensors all the way around in the front and in the back. The vehicle has remote keyless entry with also a keypad on the outside. Power driver and passenger side seats. Trailer tow package with a class 3 hitch on it. Dual chrome tipped exhaust. Rear power liftgate comes standard on the Reserves. Big cargo area, as you can see. Flip down seats. Automatic, just with a button. So you got your power locks, your windows, your cruise control, your seats, hands-free. You have your adaptive cruise control that comes with the Co-Pilot 360 Plus. It adds your adaptive cruise control and center line with a 360 camera and evasive steering assist and self-parking feature also. This vehicle has 9,858 miles on it. 9,858 miles. Navigation. Heated and cooled seats on both sides. Auto hold. Panoramic roof. Leather interior. Thank you for watching the video on the 2020 Nautilus, and if you're interested in this vehicle or any other vehicle that we have, please feel free to give us a call at 808-334-1111. My name is Rhino. Please ask for me. Thank you very much and have a great day.